Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back, new and latest review, style and crochet sweaters, short styles and beautiful looks, dresses and color blocking ideas and stylish shorts, crochet candy square shorts for women. Creating a crochet candy square shorts for women is a creative and enjoyable project. Here are a basic outline of how you can make one, and this different your size and fit preference, and measure your bust, waist and hips, decide on the length you want for the short, and start by selecting a granny square pattern that you like. You will need to project multiple granny square to make up the body of the shorts, and each square will typically represent a part of the front, back and or sleeves. So I hope you like it, my videos and my channels, and styles, looks, and block your crochet shirts to shape it and allow it to dry. This steps helps to even out the stitches and improve the overall appearance. Trim any loosey ends and make any final adjustment. Your crochet shirts for women is now ready to wear and showcase your creative skills and ideas.